class 12th chemistry chapter 1, the solid state, and this will be the last part. And in this video we will be covering the AB2 type of the ionic compound. So let's start. So the example of AB2 type of ionic compound is CaF2 type, and the CaF2 is a FCC type of structure. CaF2 is called fluorite structure or calcium fluoride. Cation to anion ratio of calcium fluoride is 1 is to 2, and in CaF2 structure the size of cation, that is calcium, is greater than the size of anion, that is fluorine ion. So packing is done by calcium ion, and the fluorine ion fills the tetrahedral voids at the FCC type of packing. So we can summarize it as the calcium cation is used for packing, and the fluorine anion is present in the tetrahedral voids. Now here are some of the points. Let us let us read it. The CaF2 have FCC type of structure. The packing is done by calcium ion, and calcium ion per unit cell or the rank of the calcium ion is 4. Fluorine ion are present in the all tetrahedral void. Fluorine ion per unit cell or the rank of the fluorine ion is 8. Calcium fluoride per unit cell or the rank of the calcium fluoride is 4. The coordination number of calcium ion is 8, and the coordination number of fluoride ion is 4. And relationship between the edge length and the radius of lattice is root 3 by 4. A is equals to radius of calcium ion plus radius of fluoride ion. Now example related to calcium fluoride are calcium fluoride, strontium fluoride, cadmium fluoride. You can take the screenshot. Now let us come to A to B type. Na2O or sodium oxide is the example of Na2O type, and it is a FCC structure. The other name of sodium oxide is antifluoride structure. The cation to anion ratio of sodium oxide or Na2O is 2 is to 1, and in Na2O structure packing is done by oxide ion, and the cation sodium ion is present in all the tetrahedral void in FCC or CCC type of structure. Now the cation is present in tetrahedral void, and the anion oxide is used for packing. There are some of the points. Sodium oxide have FCC type of structure. Packing is done by oxide ion. Oxide ion per unit cell or the rank of the oxide anion is 4. Sodium cation are present in the tetrahedral void, and the rank of the sodium cation, that is sodium cation per unit cell, is 8. Sodium oxide per unit cell is 4, or the rank of sodium oxide is 4. Coordination number of oxide ion is 8, and the coordination number of sodium is 4. The relationship between uh, edge length and the radius of the lattice is root 3 by 4 A plus radius of sodium plus radius of oxide ion. And the example of Na2O related are Li2O or lithium oxide, potassium oxide, or potassium sulfide. You can take the screenshot. Now here are two questions. Take the screenshot and guess the right answer. Here is a short summary of the last type ionic compound, that is NaCl type, CSCl type, ZnS type, CaF2 type, Na2O type. Go through it and revise it. Now let us come to defects in solid. For a crystalline substance at 0 Kelvin, entropy is equals to 0. There are no defect in the crystalline substance at 0 Kelvin. It is important point to note that at 0 Kelvin there are no defect in a crystalline substance. As the temperature increases, the defect arise in a crystal, and the types of defects are points defect, let us come to the type of defect, that is point defect. The imperfection at few random lattice in the point in a crystal is represented by point defect. You can see that at the random places, some of the atoms are missing. Now line defect, imperfection in a row of large number of lattice point. That is when so many defects are seen together, it is a line defect. You can see that yellow one are the atoms and black one are the missing atom. So it is in a row, the defect is in a row, so it is a line defect. Now plane defect, in case of plane defect, imperfection in a plane of a large number of lattice point. That is, in the plane, uh, there are large number of lattice points are missing, and so there is a defect which is seen together as a plane defect. Now let us come to the defect classification. The defects are divided into two parts: point defect or atomic defect or electronic defect. The point defect is subdivided into three types, that is stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, and the impurity defect. And the stoichiometric defect is divided into four categories. Two are of non-ionic compound, that is vacancy defect and interstitial defect. And in case of ionic compound, Schottky and Freckle defect. And in case of non-stoichiometric defect, that is metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Take the screenshot of this classification. Now, let us come to the types of point defect. Stoichiometric defect. The defect which do not change the stoichiometric or the formula of the solid is called stoichiometric defect. Also called thermodynamic or intrinsic defect. Non-stoichiometric defect. Those defect which leads to change in composition or formula of solid is called stoichiometric defect. We can remember it by stoichiometry, which means the formula. Now, the impurity defect, a type of defect in which atoms of original crystalline solid are replaced by some foreign compound, means the original atoms are uh, mixed up with the impurity atoms. Example: addition of strontium chloride or calcium chloride in NaCl, addition of cadmium chloride and silver chloride in silver chloride. Now, let us see the categories of stoichiometric defect. First one is vacancy defect. This defect arises when ionic solid, some of the lattice point are vacant. In here, there is a vacancy of one atom, and so it is a vacancy defect. Now, interstitial defect. It arises when some of the constituent atom occupies the interstitial site. Here, interstitial is important because there was an atom, there was an atom, and this atom is missing from its lattice position and is present in the interstitial site. So it is an interstitial defect. Now let us come to Schottky defect. This defect arises when equal number of cation and anion are removed from the uh, crystal lattice, which means that if one positive ion is missing, then one negative ion is also missing. If two positive ion is missing, then two negative ion is also missing. It is called Schottky defect, and it is similar to vacancy defect. Now, Freckle defect. Freckle defect arises when one of cation or anion occupy the interstitial site. And here there was a Zc cation, and this cation is displaced from its lattice position and is present in the interstitial site. So it is a Freckle defect. It is also similar to interstitial defect, but Schottky and Freckle defect are used for ionic compound. You can take the screenshot. Now let us come to the condition of the Schottky and Freckle defect. Uh, the size of cation and anion. In case of Schottky, the size of cation is approximately equal to the size of anion. And in case of Freckle defect, the size of cation and anion is different. The size of cation is smaller than the size of anion. Now coordination number, as shown, is shown by compare, compari comparing having comparison having high coordination number. Compounds having high coordination number. Uh, Shown by compound having low coordination number is a Freckle defect. Example of Schottky defect: sodium chloride, potassium bromide, cesium chloride, silver bromide. So the Schottky defect, and silver chloride, zinc sulfide, silver bromide. So the Freckle defect. Now let us come to the non-stoichiometric defect. Uh, this formula of compound changes. Cation to anion ratio will be distributed. Electrical neutrality remains maintained. Example are metal excess. It is divided into metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. And metal excess defect is divided into anion vacancy, P center, and interstitial cation. Let us come to metal excess defect. Those defect which arises due to anionic vacancy or due to the presence of extra cation in interstitial site. First one categorization is anion vacancy. Some anion will be missing from the crystal, creating anion vacancy. These vacant site will be occupied by electron of F center, which are responsible for color in the system. Alkali halide like sodium chloride and potassium chloride show this type of defect. Here is an example that when sodium vapor are passed while heating sodium chloride crystal, then the vapor of sodium attracts chloride ion from the crystal to form NaCl, leaving electrons in the vacant space. Okay. Now observation. Electrical conductivity of the crystal increases, paramagnetic behavior increases, density decreases, good conductor of heat and electricity. Formula of compound changes but electrical neutrality is same. Color of NaCl. Without this defect, the color of NaCl is white, and with this defect, the color of NaCl is yellow. Now F center. F center are the anion vacancy occupied by unpaired electron. The F center impart color to the crystal. The color is the result of the excitation of the electron when they absorb the energy from the visible light falling on the crystal. Now let us come to interstitial cation. Some extra cation are present in the interstitial side of the crystal. Electron are present in other side to maintain the electrical neutrality. Example, zinc oxide is white in color. At room temperature, on heating it loses oxygen and turns yellow. Here is the equation given. Now observation of interstitial cation. Electrical conductivity increases, paramagnetic behavior maintain color due to free electron. Now let us come to the last topic, that is metal deficiency defect. In this defect, a cation is missing from the lattice site. To maintain electrical neutrality, one of the nearest metal ion acquire the two positive charges. This type of defect occur in the compound where metal can exhibit variable valency, that is transition metal compound like NiO, FeO, FeS, etc. This is the illustration of the metal deficiency defect. Typical example is ferrous oxide, which mostly found is in Fe0.95 oxide. Um, it may also range from Fe0.93 to Fe0.96. In crystal of FeO, some Fe2 plus cation are missing, and loss of positive charge is made by the presence of required number of Fe3 ion. So this chapter ends. Thank you for watching the video and visit the playlist for more videos. Thank you.